Looking to take action towards reconciliation in education? Becoming a part of the Narragunnawali community and creating or joining a Reconciliation Action Plan, or a RAP, for your school or early learning service is easy and free. Begin by clicking Sign Up to create your individual account and enter your details. Select Join Narragunnawali, and an account activation link will then be emailed to you. Once signed up, log into the platform and click Create or Join a RAP. Select your school or early learning service and your position. Click into your school or services RAP. From here, you can establish a working group. Together with your working group, complete the reflection survey. Write a vision for reconciliation and add actions to your RAP. Engage with the guiding information and resources for each RAP action. When adding an action to your RAP, assign it to one or more working group members. You can also set unique goals and dynamic deliverables for each action. Now you're ready to submit the RAP to the principal or director for approval. Once approved, Reconciliation Australia will review your vision for reconciliation before publishing your RAP. Once your RAP is published, download your final RAP documents and see your school or early learning service displayed on the interactive Who Has a RAP map. Now it's time to put your plan into action and build relationships, respect and opportunities in the classroom, around the school or early learning service, and with the community. Remember that your RAP is an active, living document that should be refreshed every 12 months. Whether you're a principal, teacher, parent, student or community member, you can get involved. Your journey is important, and Narragunnawali is here to guide you every step of the way. So let's get started.